very rusty. Hornby HST. Just if that runs. I think it's got lighting too, so. NC Mark II, I believe. Side. Got high mech. Missing bogey. D7063. Doesn't have a motor, but the motor's been taken out. What point? Some cars and a pig and cow. So we'll bring this over to the model railway room and we'll see if any of these run. So, hello. We are now in the model railway room. I'm going to see if this HST will run. So, power is on, and I already have some HSTs. This one's the one I just unboxed. Let's see if it runs. Okay. It's trying to go. It is trying to go. Give it a minute. Sometimes it just needs a bit of weight, but it's definitely trying to go. Let me just turn them off. I do know there's power going to it. Lights are on and it's trying to go. I think it just needs a clean up. Okay. Of course this ain't gonna run because it has no motor, so no point in trying to run that. How about the Mark II? Well, at least that's what I think it is. I think the Mark I is no different at all other than the roof, I think. See, even on here. Smooth runner. We just put Mark III on. Buffy Mark III. Coupling, let's check the coupling. That seems couple. Relatively fine. Take that off. Alright, let me get the second loco, which is technically brand new. Technically. In 1 second. This loco is a class 31. 31130, and I think this is one of the older ones as well from Hornby. I don't know if that's the original bogies, doesn't look so. It looks like it's been replaced because this is a used loco I got from a railway show, model railway show, for 25 quid. So that's quite a bargain. I'm just going to connect it to some Triang Mark 1s. So, it should be all connected. And let's give it some power. And I know for a fact that it runs. It runs quite well. Perfect. I think I'm going to do a part 2 to this for my other rolling stock, but I haven't got any more locos. Actually, I have, but it's a brand new one. So, yeah, see you in part 2, hopefully. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.